Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to my video. Before getting to the video and me showing you how to see a list of your YouTube subscribers on your computer, I'd like to talk to you guys about something else, which is actually about my channel and about who I am. So, I am Daria, as you might have realized already, and what I do is I'm studying in Yıldız Technical University in Istanbul, Turkey, and my department is communication design. So, maybe most of you are not really familiar with the name of my department, but I can actually tell you what we do and why I have this channel and what is the evolution. In my department, what we do is we're designing everything actually that you see. It can be an app, it can be a logo, it can be a game, you name it, or a poster for a movie, or anything. And some of my friends do coding, some of my friends do programming, and they're designing games, they're designing characters for the games that they're designing. So, but most of the time, that what I'm actually interested in is interaction design. So, what is interaction design is I'm mostly interested in like what actually we do is we're interested in human and technology interaction, like, and so most of the time where do we see that? While to understand what we do actually is we are checking up apps, we're designing apps also. So what I'm doing with my channel is I'm trying to show you guys how to use some social media platforms on your website or on your on your mobile phone, your iPad, your iPhone, whatever you name it. And you're gonna be like, well, how does it help me? The way it helps me is, since I'm interested in interaction design, which most probably I will have my own app, and I hope it's gonna be a successful one when I graduate. That's my first plan. So these things that I'm showing you, yes, of course, as a user, I'm using YouTube, I'm using Twitter, or anything that comes to your mind. All of those social media platforms, I am using them. But as a user, you don't always realize the problems because for example, I'm good at what I'm doing, like I'm good at using them. So I don't really face problems. But when I'm designing an app or when I'm designing some interactions for that app, what I have to be sure of that I not all of my users are gonna be 18, 20-year-old teenagers that who spends their day in their phones. So there are also gonna be people like who are 50 or 30 years old, and they might not be that good with technology or that app. So what I'm trying to understand here is, while I'm showing you guys step by step how to do some certain things, I am also I'm also learning from you, because when I'm doing something on YouTube, let's say, I don't even actually think about it, right? But when it comes to showing you guys, I have to think about every part, because you know what I mean. It's like riding a bicycle. When you want to teach it to someone, what you got to do, you have to ride your bike for a tour, like for a minute or 2 minutes, so you things that gets to your mind. Oh, this is how I, because it's like, for me it became like a reflection. I just click here, I know, I go to my profile, I don't even look at that side of the screen. But this is not the case for everyone, and as a app designer or interaction designer, I have to know all of those. And while you're asking me questions how to do such things, I actually see the problems a bit better. So the best way to learn how to do my job is actually using this very well designed YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, whatever comes to your mind, these top social media platforms, interactions. I have to be looking at them in detail so I can actually understand what could be the problems or what I should be doing with my own app in future. So thank you for listening, and now what we should do is get to the video. So if you have any questions about my department or what I want to do, you can also ask me in the comments. And the main reason why I have this channel is also to help you guys, to show you how to use these platforms. So today what we're gonna do is how to see a list of your YouTube subscribers on your computer. Of course, you can see these things on your mobile device, on your iPad, iPhone, Android device. But today we're gonna use our computer. As you can see, I'm in YouTube's web interface. So we're gonna do it today. So who wants to know who has subscribed to their channel recently? Now actually you can check it out after watching this video. And you might be asking why I'm not using my this channel to show you guys. Is because I also have this channel of mine, which is like a more private one, and I also welcome you guys down there. That's why I'm using this one. So with over 500 hours of video uploaded to YouTube every minute, yes, you didn't hear it wrong, every minute, it is no surprise that many publishers grow massive followings, with subscriber number reaching the millions and revenue from advertising and product placements reaching just as high. So if you publish videos to YouTube yourself, you may want to know how to see your subscribers. So not only does knowing how many you have help, seeing the types of people who follow you can also help you generate ideas and figure out the kinds of videos your subscribers would like to see. So now you can actually see who subscribed to your YouTube channel through the desktop version, just like we're doing today, or check your subscriber count through the iPhone and Android apps. So here's how to do each. So how to see your YouTube subscribers on your desktop. So what we do is we're going to click here on our profile. Of course, after logging into our profile, we're clicking here, and under here we have your channel. We're gonna click in that option, and as you can see, I do not have any subscribers. So if I would have any subscribers, it would be written as, for example, 2,000 subscribers, or 3,000, or 1, or 23, whatever comes to your mind. So this is where you actually see how many people that are subscribed to your channel. So today is a bit dry, yeah. So I can show you actually how it looks. This is my friend's channel. So we're gonna go there, and when I click on here, this is her channel, right? Just like mine, actually, you can see that it says since she has subscribers and I don't, it's written right here how many subscribers she has. And if you want to know a little bit more detail, what you're going to do is you're gonna click into your profile again, and you're gonna click YouTube Studio. Let's wait. Yes, now we're in YouTube Studio. And from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go, as you can see, we're in dashboard right now, but what we need is analytics. Yes, I don't have any subscriber, but it's so cool. We're gonna click analytics, and as you can see, your channel got 11 views in the last 28 days. Oh, what a surprise. So this channel, I actually had it for a long time, so I only have one video for English teaching. So I know where this viewer is coming from. So from here, as you can see, we have this audience. That's where we're gonna click. and I only have one unique viewer, so that's good. So here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna click subscribers to see their age, their genders. Of course, I don't have any, but if you have, how you gonna see is this. So as you can see, I don't have any, but if you have some subscribers, so what you're gonna do is you can see every data from here, their age and gender, when your viewers are your YouTube. Like, the reason why you should know that is because so you can be uploading your video that in those time beings. So other videos your audience watched. This is also important. The reason is so you can know what kind of videos that actually your subscriber might need to watch or might want from you. So from here, we're gonna know age and gender, like I told you. And this is also good because if most of the people that are following you on YouTube, if they're 7 years old to 15 years old, so you have to shape your channel into that one, or you might need to find other ways how to help that range to get wider. And also gender, maybe if it's man mostly, you might need to be doing other content. If it's female mostly, you might need to be doing other kind of content. And from here, we have top countries. For example, you're doing your videos in English, so this is like English is mostly like used in all over the world. So you can see that maybe a lot of people are actually using watching your videos and subscribe to your channel. And if you have enough of geography data, you can also decide. For example, you also speak Spanish and you see a lot of countries that are being the main language is Spanish are watching you. You can also try to upload videos in Spanish. Just an example. For example, here we see top subtitle or CC languages. Like just I said, you're doing your English videos, but there are a lot of people who are from Spain or I don't know, like South America, that are being that Spanish is the main language that being speaking in their those kind of countries. If that means you actually should be putting those kind of subtitles. That's what I mean. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a lot of subscribers to in your channel, so you can see all these things. And thank you for watching one more time. If you like this video and if you found it helpful, please don't forget to like this video. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can let me know in the comments and I'll come down there and read all of them. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, yes, I'm not talking about that one, I'm talking about this one, please do. It's easier than seeing your subscriber list. Just click on there. So see you guys later in the next video.